The principal activity of your online business is to make money by selling various products and possibly services. Yes, I know that's obvious, but often setting up the system can take over most of your time. An online business can sell any type of product or service, including offline businesses such as services, consultancy, shops, bars, and restaurants. So when designing your online business system, you need to establish your clear goals and objectives, and what benefits you will provide to the customer. Using these goals, objectives, and benefits, you can then design the appropriate website and social media presence to attract the ideal prospect to your landing page. When people buy online, they will feel more comfortable if the initial purchase is as low cost as possible. Also, if they can try before they buy, free trial or free gift, it's even better. Ideally, you have a series of offers which start with a small financial commitment. Then as the customer becomes more comfortable with you and your offers, you can increase the price and value of the product or service you are selling. This demonstrates why having automatic follow-up emails is so powerful. Once they have made a first commitment to try or purchase, your follow-up emails can gradually offer other products or services with increasing prices. The internet is ideal for selling digital products, ebooks, or software that can be downloaded directly from your website. Immediately the sale is completed, this makes the sales process fully automated so you can focus on marketing. You must also offer a solid guarantee to refund their money if they are not happy, and you must stand by it. Because if one customer decides that your product or service is not for them and you give them a refund, someone else they know may actually become a happy customer. Selling other people's products as an affiliate. The quickest way to get started making money online is to sell other people's products as an affiliate. You can find extensive free training that explains everything about affiliate marketing, from beginners to advanced subjects. It is called Affiliorama. There are several sources of existing products where you can earn an affiliate commission, such as ClickBank. ClickBank is a very good place to start as it is the longest established and most reliable. It also offers a very wide range of products to market and sell. As discussed above, you need several products starting at a small price, 5 to 10 euros, dollar or pound, and then at various levels up to 197 euros, dollar or pound or more. These are to be used to upsell to your customers after they know, like, and trust you, and value your advice. As a ClickBank affiliate, you will find that the best products also offer affiliate marketing tools, such as email texts, graphics, and marketing advice. Your job as an affiliate is to find new and innovative ways to sell the product. You can also create your own marketing materials, or write reviews of the product that your potential customers will read. Creating your own products. It is perfectly feasible for you to create your own digital products. The easiest product is to write an ebook about a subject you know well. This would be converted into a PDF and can be sold and downloaded automatically from your website, through GetResponse subscription forms, or even as a ClickBank vendor. Sell your services. As I said before, it is also perfectly possible to sell yourself as a consultant. Sell your services such as website design or even gardening services, for example. The principles as outlined before still apply. You need to demonstrate your skills, offer some incentive to join your list, develop an online relationship through useful automated emails, and subtly but clearly ask for the sale. Recurring income. Another product type is the paid-for newsletter or membership site. Quite often subscribers will be attracted by offering them the first month free, or for as little as $1, so they can sample your content with virtually no risk. The benefit, to you, of them paying a small amount of money monthly is that they have already given you their payment information, so if they continue to pay the subscription in the second and subsequent months, you will automatically receive the payment on a regular basis. You will need to have a certain amount of content in place to get new members subscribed, but you will have time each month to prepare new content. This will succeed or fail depending on the quality of the information you provide. Remember, that in all cases, you will be solving a problem or filling a need for your customer, so continue to explain how your product or service does that for them. Here are more action steps for you. Find or draft your first product or service. Think about who your ideal customer is, what solutions or needs they are interested in, and how your offer will satisfy them. Open a free ClickBank account and look for available products. Visit the ClickBank knowledge base area, read the ClickBank advice for new affiliates. Open a free Affiliorama account and review the free affiliate training. Consider creating a paid account at idplr.com to have access to ready-made quality products you can sell and keep all of the profits.